The Bird and the Squirrel. One day a beautiful bird came looking for food. The bird looked around and saw a mango on the mango tree. It was a ripe mango. A squirrel was eating that mango. The bird came near the tree. The squirrel was afraid of the bird. The bird started eating the mango. The bird saw the squirrel was looking sad. "Come, squirrel, let's both eat this mango," said the bird. Squirrel was very happy. The bird and the squirrel ate the mango happily. Moral of the story: share everything equally with others is the best way of the life.